What's up, everyone? All right, so here we are, 10th solid day in a row, up $4,400. Let's see, to be exact, $4,487.11. That's gonna put me up now close to $35,000 on the month with 2 days left, Thursday and Friday. This has been an awesome hot streak. But as I said yesterday, I've got to be a little careful because once I get well into a hot streak, I want to not get overconfident because what can sometimes happen, and this has happened to me many times, is I'll have a hot streak, I'll get overconfident, and then I'll have a big loss. And if that happens to coincide with the end of a hot streak of momentum in the market, then it can take a long time to bounce back after that loss, especially if it's a big one. So I have to have that presence of mind to take it slow, to trade the market I'm in, not the market I want to be in. Today, I think I did a pretty good job. I did give back a little profit on both of the stocks I traded, but nothing crazy, not more than maybe $800 or $900 total. So that's fine. I'm okay with that. Green is good. $4,400 is twice the daily goal. So just stacking some profit here for the month of August, which was unexpected, and it's going to put me ahead of the curve coming into the fall months, September, October, November, and December. All right, now I want to remind you guys, use the coupon code Labor Day to join the chat room, join the simulator, or join the Warrior Starter, which includes chat room and simulator, or jump into the Warrior Pro courses, which of course includes everything. All right, so looking forward to seeing you guys. We're going to start the new month of September next week with some new students. It's going to be a lot of fun, and I hope you're one of them. All right, see you guys first thing, of course, tomorrow morning, pre-market watch list at 9:15. All right, see you then. All right, everyone, so we're going to do our midday market recap here, go over the trades from this morning. This is going to be the 10th really solid day in a row of great momentum in the first hour. Yesterday was a fantastic day, the best green day I've ever had in the month of August with $17,000 of total profit. Today I'm up another $4,400. So we are seeing, back-to-back big green days. In the first hour of trading, just going back the last 10 days, Thursday the 15th was $2,000 in the first hour. Friday, $4,000 in the first hour. Monday was $4,000 in the first hour. And then Tuesday was about $1,000 in the first hour. Wednesday was $5,000. Thursday was $8,000. Friday was $10,000. $7,000 on Monday, and then I gave back $5,000 over trading. $17,000 yesterday, and now $4,400 today. So it's like back-to-back big green solid days, which is awesome. Today I traded two stocks, MDJH and MICR. MICR was gapping up 32%. This was a gap and go setup. So on this one, I thought it looked good. I wasn't super familiar with the stock. I thought there was some risk there. The bell rang, it started to squeeze up, and I jumped in for this breakout here. I got in as soon as it broke over this level. I was jumping in 324, 325, 328. I added at 346 for the break over $3.50. I had 12,000 shares. I was on this one thinking that if it broke over 350, we would get a move to 375, maybe $4. So for my initial entries down here around 324, when I added at 346, it brought my cost basis up to about 334. So then at 334, with 12,000 shares, when it didn't hold right away, I had to bail out. And I bailed out hitting the bid and made $726. But that was not the winner that I was going for. I was hoping for a lot more than that. So that was kind of disappointing, and you can see since the open, this has continued to sell off and just kind of goes, lower. So not a great gapper because it hasn't held its level. It's filled the gap coming back down. The next one, MDJH. Now, this is one that I'm somewhat familiar with. I've traded a couple of these days that you can see the candles red. But this came to my attention. It was not on the gap scanner. However, it hit the high of day momentum scanner. So did SSNT, and we'll go over that one in a second. But where is it? Right here. So it hits at 90, 74, 94. I see it hit. MDJH. I pull it up. As I'm pulling it up there, my chart's loading. I'm typing it in here. I look at it. I see it looks good. I press Shift 1 and Shift 1. I tried to buy 6,000 shares. I only filled 600, and then it was halted at 504. What I saw on this that I liked was it's moved quickly today. It's already up 100%, 96%. So it's moving quickly. It's got above average volume. Check, check. The float, 1.4 million shares. It's got news. I needed to see that headline, and that made me feel good about jumping in. So I was in right here. It's now halted at 504. It resumes a little lower. It opens at 480, and I was a little nervous. It then surges up to 587. It then pulls back here down to a low of 509, and as it starts to curl up, I took shares for the break. I think it was over 550. And as it broke here up to a high of 617, I was taking profit. It then pulls back again, and I added back at 515 right here for the first candle to make a new high. So adding back at 515, I then added here 6,000 shares for the break of 515. I added another 3,000 up here at, I think it was 56, and another 3,000 up at 74. I think it was 74. I was thinking that this candle here was going to break over 590, and we would have first 5-minute candle making a new high, and we would have a 1-minute breakout over $6, and that would be a big winner. It did not end up happening. It came back down as it broke below 550. I hit the bid and sold, and was able to capture profit, which is great, but it was not what I was looking for. It was not nearly the move that I thought it would be. So, and now it's kind of retraced and come back down. It's below the VWAP. If it breaks over the VWAP, then I'd look for a move from 5 up towards 6, but I'm just not sure that's going to happen. And SSNT, on this one, it ended up making a move here from a low of 325 up to 417. This was a bounce off the low. A stock drops from $8 down to $3. It's going to bounce up a little bit when it does start to bounce because of the amount of volatility. I just didn't feel confident taking a trade on it because I knew the upside potential ultimately was limited. That, at most, maybe it would go up to 4, maybe 5, but with this big doji candle from yesterday, the shooting star, it's not going to get all the way back up to $8. It's just not going to happen. So I did underestimate it a little bit. I could have taken a trade in this breakout here. It did end up working. I just didn't. PSTV, this is halted right now. Nice breakout of this consolidation. It broke this level of 18, squeezed up to $20, got halted, resumed, opened, and surged up to 22, but then reversed and is now halted, coming back down. This is one lighter volume and at $20, it's higher price, so the risk is definitely higher on that. So anyways, that's it for me today. Puts me up now about 35,000 on the month of August, which is terrific. We've got 2 days left, so Thursday and Friday, going to try to finish up with 2 more green days. All right, so that's the game plan, and I'll see you guys first thing tomorrow morning. If you're still watching, you must have really enjoyed that video. So why not subscribe and get email alerts anytime I upload new content? Remember, when you subscribe, you become a member of the Warrior Trading family.